Charlie is a little boy that is poverty-stricken, but he loves chocolate.
Can I have some chocolate? One chocolate, cut it up! Thank you.
Charlie only wants one thing, and that is the golden ticket.
Man, this is my fourth chocolate bar. Fourth time is a charm, am I right? Okay. No way! No way! I got the golden ticket! Yes! 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 Wonka, are you here? Are you here? Where are you? I have my golden ticket.
Oh ho ho! Welcome to my chocolate factory.
I have my golden ticket.
Okay, then just follow me.
So, where did all the kids go?
They had to go.
Will Charlie make it out alive? Read Charlie in the Chocolate Factory to find out.